Craving the most delicious chicken of your life? You're just 1 minute away. Let's get started. First, chop 100 grams of green onions into bite-sized pieces. Next, melt 50 grams of butter in a heated pan. This is our secret to creamy perfection. Now, add 500 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that have been marinating in milk overnight. We'll talk more about the marinade later. Give the chicken a quick sear, then toss in those vibrant green onions. Time for a touch of sweetness. Add 100 to 150 grams of your favorite canned pineapple chunks. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of curry powder and pour in 200 milliliters of heavy cream. Don't forget to season with salt to taste. This chicken is going to be incredible. Just look at that golden, thick gravy simmering away. As promised, let's talk about the marinade. For the marinade, simply combine 200 to 300 milliliters of milk with a pinch of salt and a touch of curry powder for an extra flavor boost. There you have it. The meat already looks very tasty, but the main magic is yet to come.